It's called limostudio. Now this is a mini photo shooting studio. It's just a small photo shooting studio, and I'm out here today to unbox for you. It's very bigger, as you can see, guys. I hope you see that. Okay, that's good. So after that, we're gonna just enjoy how much what's packed inside. So first thing first is to tear the opening. I think I can just open on top. This is the main point of opening it on top. You just remove it nice. I like that. That's a really useful portion of removing something, just to be friendly with that. Another kind of stuff, I think, to my own kind of aspect, you get the skin. I think, as you can see, we're having, let me just cover it properly so as some of you guys can see that. So this is a changeable skin, whereby you can just skin your photo studio with different type of clothing, I guess. So I think there's a guideline for what's next. So first thing first is to assemble. Now this is the assemble. I don't mean assembling, but this is how it is being assembled. You start by assembling and looking upon the map and know what you're starting with. So I think I'm gonna start with the tabletop. That means you just have to cover the tabletop and stuff like that. So, and secondly, we have the Velcro, and the Velcro. Then we have table menu. You can see we have the tripod here. We know that we can cover it. Another kind of stuff, I think, let us just go to the page 2. I know it's a little bit boring, but we're supposed to cover it. And we are having a lightning. This is the lightning LED, and on my left too, there's a lightning LED. So it's covered with lightning LED. We have to follow this, and at the end of the day, we get this. But this is how it is, whereby it shows you so as you can feel the light and eliminate shadows. So I think, to my own kind of aspect, this is the way to go. Let me just open up on the, is this the last one? Yeah, this is the last one. So let us just open it up. thank you guys for watching. I hope you understood how much the photo lightning, photo studio, how it is. It's a little bit taking wild time because of many things, and I think to my own kind of aspect is the way to go. Testing it out, experience something new, it's very amazing. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and